past few years, I've discovered that Harbor Freight has some great products for quilters. I have done 2 videos in the past over Harbor Freight products from Harbor Freight that I use in my quilt room. And Wes and I go there frequently. If you're a frequent visitor of Harbor Freight, be sure to tell me about that in the comments below. Hello everybody, this is Michelle Fox and welcome to The Simple Quilter. Today I'm going to be showing you my latest purchase from Harbor Freight. I have purchased another toolbox for quilt room storage. This is a toolbox that Wes talked me into getting. He just really felt like I needed one. I do use 2 large toolboxes from Harbor Freight in my quilt room, and I will put a link up there showing the videos for those toolboxes. They work great in my quilt room, and I love both of those toolboxes, and I think my 3rd toolbox is going to be a favorite too. In the description below, I'll put a link for all of my videos related to Harbor Freight and different products I've purchased there, but today it's about my latest purchase. And again, Wes talked me into this, and let me show you what this is. This is called the U.S. General Mini Toolbox. Now I have to tell you, I really wanted this in white to go along with my white toolboxes that I use for larger quilt room storage here in my quilt room, and I love those. You'll have to take a look at those because one of them I turned into my ironing station, and over the past few years I have loved that and I use it a lot, and to me it beats setting up an ironing board. But anyway, you can check out that video in the link above. But this little toolbox I think is going to be one of my favorites. So, you know, it's really heavy. I think it's pretty well made. But I'm going to open this up and show you what this little toolbox looks like. And this toolbox only comes in blue, red, and green, I think. It doesn't come in white. But red is my favorite color, so I decided on red. And I have to tell you, Wes came home the other day with one, and he bought a blue one. But I'm going to show you what I've decided to use it to store in my quilt room. But first of all, let me open this up and let me show you this toolbox. This is the first time I've opened it. But I know what I'm going to put in it. So once I put everything in it that I want, I'm going to show you that. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it in my quilt room. I'm really pretty excited about all that. Okay, so here is that toolbox. It has a little lid that comes up, so you can see that there. And it has 1 and 2 drawers in it, and inside it has those little non-slip pads on the inside, those little black mats. But that's my latest toolbox purchase, and I'm going to load it up and show you what I'm going to be storing in it. In the comments below, if you have one of these in your quilt room, you tell me what you're using it for. Okay, so I decided to change the view a little bit so you can see exactly what I have stored in here. So right now the toolbox is sitting like it will be on my desk, but on my countertop. But as you can see, it has the drawers there. Okay, so let me show you. I'm really excited about this. I decided to store my sewing machine feet in here so I don't constantly have to get out my sewing machine case and dig through the case and find the pieces. So I've put my sewing machine feet here, and this is really just going to be for my Bernina. It's not going to be for my Juki. I don't think. I think I'm going to keep them separate. But as you can see, that top just folds up, just like that. And I just put on my feet and my walking foot here, the little bar that I use, my guide foot on that, and my tools that I use that came with my Bernina sewing machine. But I think those are all just a great fit. Okay, so then in the first drawer, I've just put a bunch of my sewing machine needles in there. My Microtext sharp needles, my universal, my blue G needles, so they'll just all be together. And then in the bottom drawer, I have put stuff to clean it. My cleaning kits, my little cleaning brushes, here's some more brushes, and my oil. Now everything is in one easy place. And it's just going to be so easy to access the pieces to my sewing machine. I'm so excited to clear off a spot on my cabinet now. I know just where I'm going to put it. In the comments below, be sure to tell me if you have one of these and if you're using it in your quilt room and if you use it for something else. I do hope you've enjoyed today's video, and until next time, have fun quilting.